everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Exit Log from start to finish. If you've never used Exit Log before, don't worry. I'll walk you through everything you need to know to optimize your connection for online gaming. So if you want to try Exit Log with a 1-year 50% discount, I have a link in the description where you can sign up. So let's get started. First, we have to download and install ExitLog on your PC. Once the installation is complete, open the application and sign into your account. And after logging in, you'll see the toggle it on. Always keep this open. And you'll see the main dashboard here. You just have to click the library icon and you have to select the game that you want to play. For example, I have to use Fortnite. Select that game and you will be redirected into another section. Then we have to choose a region here. So if automatic service selection is available, I recommend leaving it enabled. ExitLog will automatically choose the fastest and most stable route for connection. And if your game only supports manual selection, choose the ExitLog server that matches the region where you're playing, then wait for the route analyzed to finish. And for mine, have to choose the Asia. Click on that. Some games also include advanced setting depending on the game profile. You might see options like TCP routes and the UDP routes and use local first routes or a direct login. Then these options aren't available for every game, so don't worry if your screen looks different. In most cases, the default settings work well, and ExitLab will automatically optimize your connection. If you see your optimize button, click it before launching your game. So this refreshes the routing and checks whether a better network path is available. Next is you have to click the apply routes here and wait for it to finish. Once the routes have been applied, launch your game normally. While you're playing, keep an eye on your ping and connection quality depending on your internet provider, location, and the game server. So you may notice fewer lag spikes, reduced packet loss, and a more stable online experience. And that's it. You now know how to set up ExitLog and use it with your favorite games. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for the more gaming tutorials, optimization guides, and setup tips. And don't forget, if you want to try ExitLog with a 1-year and 50% discount, check out the sign up link in the description below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.